going on, guys? Thank you for tuning in to another video. Today I'm gonna be, damn, it's bright outside. Anyway, as I was saying, thank you for tuning in for another video. Today I have some things to be doing today. I'm probably gonna be meeting with a couple of friends, going to a meet tonight. I had recently just recently went to a meet. If you didn't see it on my Instagram story, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I post on my story a lot, especially when it comes to cars, stuff like that. So you can follow me at, I'm put it like right here somewhere, Dan_Lex. Pretty simple name. But yeah, so today I got some things to be doing. I have a new set of lug nuts to put on my car, because my old lug nuts, they're kind of, I mean, they were pretty good, and then they got trash, so that's no bueno. They're kind of all busted up, mainly from taking them on, putting them on, and all that stuff multiple times and whatnot. Yeah, I need some new ones. Plus, I still have to put a new dang freaking stud here, and I've just been lazy to be doing that. And I know I need to do that. I actually have to take all the studs out because I got ARP. Extended wheel studs. I have them in the front. I haven't put them in the back because I have to disassemble a lot more stuff in the rear to get the studs out. Now, if they were stock studs, it'd be a lot easier to put them in, but they're not. They're longer, so it's a lot harder to just squeeze them in there and put them in. I've attempted doing it before. I got lazy and I just didn't do it, which I really need to stop doing that. But other than that, I'm gonna try and see if I'm able to put on my coilovers today. So we'll see what happens. That'll be probably later on tonight, and I'll probably finish them tomorrow morning, because I do have to go to work today, so I'll be able to finish doing them today. Plus, it'll be nighttime by the time I actually try putting them on, so you guys will see that. But I do want to show you guys that I got some new lug nuts to replace those. Your boy, some DNA motoring, always coming clutch for your boy. Let's see what we got here, nice packaged up, and my girlfriend's makeup is in here, nice. But other than that, I got these nice set of lugs. As you can see here, there are JDM Racing 12 by 1.5, which is what my car and the extended wheel studs call for. Now, the reason I got these is because the reason the ones on my car right now keep getting all busted up is because they're aluminum, and I guess you could say they're kind of cheap aluminum, but it's whatever. These, on the other hand, these are also aluminum, but what really matters are the threads on the inside. This black part is actually steel, so it'll hold up a lot better than the ones on my car. So the reason I got these lug nuts, like I said, is because of the threading on the inside. There's steel. That way I'm able to not wear them down so much quicker, because the threads on the inside of my aluminum ones are kind of worn out, and also because if you see here, this top piece actually comes off of the bottom piece. So the aluminum piece right here comes off of the steel piece here, and it actually has two keys, one for the aluminum part to actually tighten and take it off, put on and take off of your wheels, and the black one is for the steel part. Well, I have this little rubber piece here, take that off. There we go. So this actually goes on here, so you can screw this on to your studs or to your wheels to tighten them first, and then put on this piece, so that way you don't have to mess up these. You can just tighten these down and then use this, which is probably what I do. I mean, you can still tighten it down like a regular lug nut with both these pieces attached together, and then just use the silver or the second key on this part and tighten it down. But just for the sake of trying to preserve these, I probably would use the black key and tighten down the steel part first and then put this part on. So yeah guys, if I remember to, I'll put a link down in the description so that you guys can pick up a set of your own. I really like these kind of lug nuts, especially because they're steel. They're a lot more durable than aluminum, and I want to run into the same issues that I ran into with my car, because my aluminum on the outside and on the inside where the threads are, those just got disintegrated. Like they just need to be replaced in general. So that's what I plan on doing later on today, once I get off work, and then I'm going to a drift meet with probably me and 2 other friends, and I'll be able to film that for you guys. But this is just opening the video, showing you guys what's up. So I will see you guys probably later on tonight. Look who it is. Look who it is. Guys, so finally off work. Well, I've been off work actually for like almost 2 hours. I haven't vlogged, so updating now. Oh yeah, by the way, I started the vlog early this morning, but I had to go to work. So yeah, now we're gonna be meeting up with other friends.
Oh God, Danny, please don't.
Look, guys, look how pretty.
Oh,
So now we're gonna be meeting up with some other friends. My friend Jamal and Julian. Julian might go, but I don't know. We gotta grab some food real quick. Oh, yeah, it's Jamal. You guys remember?
no, you weren't.
Yeah. I want some cake. 3 boxes. That's some chocolate. Yeah, the cake look pretty good. You might have to chomp down on some of that, bull. You don't need to chomp on nothing. What you ugly out there? Oh, dusty and all that.
My car's still fastened here.
Woo! Your car runs? So I'm at the 3rd location because the first 2 already got shut down before I could even get out the car. So I'm at the 3rd location. It's supposed to be a drift meet, so I guess just waiting for more people to come before they actually start, you know, drifting, I guess. But I got me and a couple of friends. Oh, I thought I was gonna do something. Oh well, but I'll just show you guys if they ever drift, and I'll update you as, you know, time progresses. It is crazy out here. that's the best I could do for lighting right now. But yeah, so as you saw, I just dropped off my friends. They're all home now. Yeah, it was pretty lit, guys. I wasn't able to film too much just because I was like waiting for, you know, cops to show up, which they did. I had to like just book it. I had to just leave. So there were a lot of locations that got shut down immediately, but the one I was able to record for you guys, that one was the longest lasting one that I've been at. They actually had another location afterwards, but all my friends were tired, so I just decided to take them home. I'm actually, damn, there's no lighting in here. I'm actually gonna just go home right now and see what happens. I might start on the coilovers, I might not, so we'll see. Alright guys, so it is the next morning. I'm in my garage right now, just chilling. It's like 10 in the morning right now. I just went to sleep. Like right after that clip, I just drove home and went to sleep. I was too tired. I forgot to actually end the video because of how tired I was, but it was a really fun night. I wasn't able to film too much just because there's so much going on, so many different locations we had to go to, hopping from one location to another, and then of course running from, you know, the police and all that kind of crazy stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage. I was able to catch you guys because it was fun. It was really fun, and I even might have a treat for you guys. Might be joining my friend David. He's gonna be giving his Evo tune, so stay tuned for that. That's really all I have to say for now, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.